my former speaker. I don't agree with the government job.
आप लड़ाई बोलना है जिसको है ना.
I don't agree with the government job because many people in India wasting our time 10 to 15 years for a government job. But if you have a knowledge, if you pass out your education, you have a skill like 16 months, 12 months, you start at age of 21 and 10 to 15 years, you lot of earn money.
I think self-made business is far more better business because there are a lot of people who have started their self-made business. They are giving a lot of taxes to government. They are paying a lot amount as per name of tax. So how could you say that doing private job is not better job? They are giving employment. They are giving platforms to others. They are also, creating something new. They are very innovative. They don't want to work as usual people are working. They don't want to walk on the path people have walked. They like to do something new, something creative. So paying a lot of amount to the government.
I think I say one thing in government job, there are matter of age, but in business it doesn't matter of age because you see the last girl, she thought whenever she at class, then she thought about their small startup, and you see in America Shark Tank, there are 9-year and 10-year-old girl and boys are coming to start pronounce their business. So I saying one thing, business doesn't matter age.
I think reservation. That's the problem in government job. In self-made business, there is no issue like reservation and all that. Yeah.
I understand my former speaker, but I want to add one more point. If you have government job, then you can get loan and etc. easily. Means if you are thinking that you will start a business, then you will have to need some money. For that, if you don't have, then you will take from bank and all. So for that, you have to run from everywhere. But if you have government job, then you can take the loan easily.
So this is the point what we are talking. This is the point. Why people are looking for government job. They want to take loan. They want to have marriage on time. They want to have fixed salary, fixed working hours. All these things are there. Job is to serve people, to serve country, not only for fulfilling the demand of their children or their family, or having salary on time, having loan, having some more facilities. Life is to create things, not to get all those things. So I think doing self-made business is far more better business.
The government people say that
even you are not depending on government in self-made business. A life which is depending on others is a life of slave. That's called gulam. You're an employee. Whether you are doing private job or government job, ultimately you are an employee, nokkar. Whether you are MTech, BTech, MCA, BCA, whatever educational background you have. So I think self-made business is always better option.
Life means not a mean of earning money.
Yeah.
Life means mean of peace also. So I like government job.
So she says life means peace, satisfaction. So in government job, she means to say working in government job means having peace of mind. But I don't agree. I would say there is more corruption. If they people are peaceful, they are living better life, government is giving them satisfactory salary, then why there is a more corruption in the government sector?
Yes, sir. I say one thing.
There is a question.
There is a question. Someone government people say that we serve the nation. Why you serve the nation? You serve yourself. India's economic did not running through government job and private job. The economic running through business, like the many bigger businessmen like Ratan Tata, Adani, and Mukesh Ambani.